Today, we're hearing more opinions on the new state law requiring school nurses to get parental consent before they can treat any of the students. Our Evan Lasik learned more about what this law requires from parents and guardians.
This is called your Family Rights and Responsibilities Act. That's the name of the bill. And what I've seen in this bill, it's all about family rights, but I don't see a lot of responsibilities.
For many years, school nurses have been able to treat bumps, bruises, scratches, and a number of other things. That was until a new state law went into effect in July, which now requires consent before school nurses can treat non-emergency injuries.
Well, an emergency is defined. I tell people all the time, I go, if you put 3 lawyers in a room that define what an emergency is, you're going to get 4 different opinions. You know, and that was my argument with it. They should have specifically spelled this out in the bill, what they were talking about.
Many school nurses are still trying to learn what they can and can't do to care for students in school. Some community members have the same questions.
I mean, the nurses are in the schools for a reason, and it's my understanding the parents can sign a permit at the beginning of the year so that their children can be taken care of.
Many are wishing they had more time before the school year started to figure out what their scope of authority is.
And the implementation of the law, when I talked to a group of teachers yesterday about this law, they were upset about it. And the thing that I talked to them about, I said, had you had time to implement that, would you have felt better about it? And they said, absolutely.
This school year will be the first under this new Family Rights and Responsibilities Act.
The governor has said this bill needs some adjustment. He acknowledged that and said, you know, he's willing to see this bill, make some adjustments to it as necessary.
In Knoxville, Evan Lasik, WVLT News.
We did reach out to some school districts around us, and those who did get back to us basically reinforcing that parents need to be aware they need to fill out that form at the beginning of the year so their kids can get help if they need it.